the recipe for my American idli. Idli rice 2 cups or 400 grams. Urad dal 1 cup or 200 grams. Parboiled rice quarter cup or 50 grams. Methi seeds 1 teaspoon or 5 grams. Put the parboiled rice in the urad dal. Also put the methi seeds or fenugreek seeds in the urad dal. This is the urad dal, fenugreek seeds and parboiled rice together. Soak it in a bowl overnight or for 8 hours. This is the 2 cups of idli rice. Soak it overnight or 8 hours. I have a 6-liter container and I am going to use it for fermenting the idli batter. The urad dal mixture has been soaked for 8 hours. So I am going to drain it first and I am going to use the same water to grind the urad dal. The reason for draining is because I need to measure it. It needs only 2 cups of water. This is my blender or grinder and this is the bowl for the blender grinder. This is 1 cup of water, that is 250 milli. I am going to use 1 more cup of water. This water was taken out of the urad dal mixture that was soaked. Now it is 500 milli. So I am going to grind the urad dal mixture in 2 cups of water, that is 500 milli of water. Grinding the urad dal mixture. The urad dal mixture has been ground well. It is a smooth paste. I am going to put it in the 6-liter container. I am also going to drain the soaked rice and I am going to take only 1.5 cup of water, that is 375 milli of water to grind the rice. That is the 2 cup of rice. Now going to grind the rice. Now I am going to use 1.5 cup of water to grind the rice. That's 1 cup. That's half cup. Grinding the rice. The rice has been done grinding. Now it is good to go with the urad dal batter. I make idli every week and I have kept about 50 ml of idli batter from the previous batch. I am going to add it to today's idli batter. Now I am going to mix the urad dal and rice batter. Mix it very well. Now you can see the total volume of the mixture is less than 2 liter. This is my oven control panel. Options. Foolproof. So I have started the oven in the proofing mode. And I have kept a big bowl in case the batter overflows, so it won't make a mess in the oven. The proofing mode temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit. So the new idli batter is in the oven in the proofing mode, and close it with the lid. Close the door. So it is in proofing mode. Check the idli batter in 4 to 6 hours. Most probably it will be fermenting in 6 hours. The idli batter has fermented very well, and some of the batter jumped out of the container. So since I had a big bowl underneath, it saved a lot of time for me to clean up the mess. I knew this because it happened before. Now it is time to add some salt and steam the idli. Very well fermented. Add some salt according to your taste and stir it well. And stir it. Now it is ready to steam the idli. I use the cooking spray on the idli stand so that the idli will not stick to the idli stand. Spray oil on the idli stand. Spread it with your hand. Pour the idli batter in the idli stand. Now it is ready to go to the steaming pot. Now it is in the steaming pot and put an 8-minute timer. So steam the idli for 8 minutes. So when the timer goes off, take out the idli. It will be well cooked. The idli is ready in 8 minutes. It is well cooked right now. Now you need to cool down the idli before removing it. So give it a few minutes for cooling down. This is a Tabak brand idli stand that was made in India. Now this is ready to go to the steamer. Now it is time to take the idli out of the idli stand. So just pick it up with your hand. See, it is very easy to take it out. Very easy. Look at this idli, it is very spongy. Very spongy idli. So it's very easy to take out of the plate. Just pick it up with your hand. See, very clean. Hope you enjoy the video. See how clean and how spongy is the idli. See. Thank you for watching the video.